What if you can set a formula once and apply it anywhere without trying to remember what you did? Meet the formula tool in Alteryx. It's an essential building block in your analytic process. With a single action, you can add and populate a field or update a field based on an expression or a data relationship. If anything is added, subtracted, or altered, your workflow shows what, when, and where it occurred, so there's always an option to rewind and rethink. Now you can take time to plan out your logic before you execute it, and none of your data will be harmed once you do. If something changes or new records are added, your logic will automatically apply so you can be confident in your results. Gone are the days of wondering if your formula has been applied across your entire dataset. How freeing is that? Better to set it and forget it. Ditch the spreadsheets. Life is easier with Alteryx.